Hi, this is iFlight. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will guide you how to upgrade Chimera7 Pro V2 03 version to the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. Before we begin, let's prepare the necessary tools and equipment. Use a 2.0mm hex screwdriver to remove the top plate, camera mounting bracket, and side panels. Use a 5.5mm socket wrench to unscrew the flight controller screws. Then gently lift the flight controller. Carefully remove the DJI O3 Air Unit coaxial cable from the gap. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 2XT60 power connector screws at the tail of the aircraft and lift out the anti-spark filter. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 8 screws securing the air unit. And take out the DJI O3 Air Unit, disconnect the power cable and antenna cables to fully detach the O3 Air Unit. Before installation, replace the DJI O4 Air Unit per original coaxial cable with a longer coaxial cable. Remove the 2 Phillips screws on the camera. To separate the lens from the back cover, please pay attention that do not pull hard. Then use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the 4 screws at the top of the air unit. Open the top cover and replace the short coaxial cable with a longer coaxial cable. Please pay attention that before installing the new camera coaxial cable, make sure to thread it through the lens back cover. Before securing the connector in place and tighten the upper and lower screws. The next step is to install the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro to the CNC camera side plate kit. When installing the silicone damper balls, make sure to check the front and back orientation of the camera in advance. The camera logo placed at the bottom during installation is considered the front. Insert the silicone damper balls with the raised side facing inward and distinguish between the left and right sides. L is the left side and R is the right side. Use the 4 included 2 5mm screws of the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro to secure the camera with the silicone pad. Then use 2 M3 6mm screws to secure the aluminum standoffs to the CNC camera side plate. Remove the original air unit antenna and replace it with the stock antenna cable from the aircraft. Secure the top cover with 4 screws after replacing the antenna. Next, we secure the air unit. DJI O4 Air Unit Pro has mounting hole spacing of 20mm inner and 25mm outer. Chimera7 Pro V2 supports mounting hole of 20mm, 25mm, and 30mm. We will use the 20mm mounting hole to secure. Then we align the 4 mounting holes of the air unit with the carbon fiber plate. Secure the unit using M2 6mm screws. Connect the power cable to the air unit. Place the coaxial cable inside the flight controller, as it was before removal, and tighten with 4 fixing screws. Reattach and secure the side panels, ensuring the cables are not pinched or damaged. Fix the side panels of the aircraft. Secure the CNC camera mount with 2 M3 6mm screws. Use M2 12mm screws to secure the XT60 power connector rear. Reinstall the top plate and tighten all screws. To finish all the installation of upgrading Chimera7 Pro V2 03 to the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. Thank you for watching.